guys, welcome back to the Andre Place, and we're doing a part 3. Last time in the end of part 2, I died. So for that, I have to rejoin. This is the cool technique for, for being alive always. So, I'll kill these cultists first. Now I'll open the chest. I got a rifle. Got a rifle, not bad. Just got a rifle in day 8. Come on, Yasha!
If you got a flint, you give it to me.
Part 4 will be at 9. Oh.
Okay.
I guess we'll have so much parts to do.
Oh, sorry, Yasha, I have to leave you.
Okay. I told you last in part 2, in part 3, we'll get totem number 2, and that's what we're doing already. Our campfire is just maxed out in day 1.
Hello, guys.
Welcome back to the Andre Place, and I'm gonna use my rifle to get out all this stuff. I'm gonna get so much cultists. I'm gonna get the one who's running shot. The Kraken!
Leave it back.
No, Yasha. Okay, fine. You dropped it. What? Okay, this is my promise to you guys. Now let's just go get some items to do. We have so much stuff to do. Yeah. Okay. Everyone. Oh no, a ghost pirate ship has sailed in. Sorry, I'll just find a cargo ship. Let's defeat a pink islander. Ooh, the outspot is fun. I don't care. Ooh, I completed a daily quest. What's the daily quest?
I'll pull your hand to me, okay? But don't out of the car. If you really out the car, I'll really, really block you. And I'll never influence you. And I'll
Welcome back. Okay.
forever. And I'll never kill you.
Okay. So you just have to.
Excuse me, I have to wear that.
Oh, there's a house right there.
Excuse.
Excuse. I'm not talking about that house. I'm talking about the pink islander, not this house. Okay, should we even survive 101 days in a raft like this? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my head! Ow!
I need 3 blueberries.
Ooh, not the trident. We'll do that later. I'll just use my rifle. Yeah, let's do that later.
When we got a blunderbuss, let's do that, okay?
Okay.
When we got a flinty, I will give it to me, okay?
Lighthouse.
Yes.
Okay, we found another lighthouse, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to get some seashells since I'm out of seashells. Got an animal chasing me. Okay. Do you die?
No.
I killed a sheep that's trying to chase me. Come on, Yasha! I'll kill him for you. I killed him. Okay. Now I'm going to get something. Large sack. Oh no! Skip cutscene. Tactical axe. Can you stop doing that to me, Yash? I got a flinty hawk.
Give it to me.
Later. I need it for the cargo ship. Finally, wave 2 is defeated. No!
Mom, I need to leave.
Fine! But we have to switch, okay? Here's my flinty hawk. Have a rifle. Okay. How much time is it now?
I'm 18%. Hi, Yasha.
Oh, we still have time.
Be careful here, huh?
13%. Okay. Okay. We have to settle down. This video will only come up to 9 minutes. Because my iPad screen record can only come up to 10 minutes. And I'm jealous of your screen recorder. $16. Is that a woolly mammoth? Okay, I don't care. We're not gonna defeat it. We're going to defeat it using our non-OP items. Like old axe.
No, we'll visit with the okay items now. Oh! Cargo ship!
That jump scared me.
Why? Are you jealous of my charger?
My cargo ship jump scared me. Okay. In part 3 we'll clear out in part 4 we'll clear out the cargo ship. Or maybe we still have time. It'll be a quick doing. Okay, I have to end the video. Bye!